Authors command a respect. If your profile shows that you have written a book, you will be treated with greater respect and dignity. You will come under the select elite crowd of authors. Hi, I am Vidyut, a spiritual guide, an energy healer, a holistic healer, a certified pranic healer, DNA activator, and an agony brother, or you may even call me a heartbreak doctor. So, what do? I conduct spiritual workshops online through WhatsApp. I also do pranic healing for people who are near or far because we can do distant pranic healing effectively for any situation or problem in your life. I have also released an audio of 108 DNA activation spiritual chants, by listening to which you can activate your dormant strands of DNA, and the benefits of which are huge and unimaginable in all the aspects of your life, whether it is physical, mental, spiritual, emotional, psychological, relationship based, financial, or any other issue of your life. I also counsel and guide youngsters at that very delicate situation of their life, whether they should enter a relationship, they should continue one, or for the benefit of all to come out of one. I have been blessed that the divine has chosen me for this path. But how will everyone know about me? How will they come to know about my services? How will they reach me unless they learn about me? And they must have faith on me. They must believe me. They must have trust on me. Here, if you are an author, it will be beneficial for all. They will realize that I am a person they can rely on. I am a man of substance. They can contact me for any of my services. In my case, I get clients, and hence it's a win win situation for all of us. Hence, my motivation to write is that people recognize me and they can depend on me. I will become famous. Yes, I am in the field of spirituality, but having been born in this world, I also have lots of duties towards my family members, and hence I also have to make money. So, the more famous I become, the more clients, the more participants I will get. The greater will be the reach of my services and the more income for me. Spirituality is one of those very rare fields where all are benefited in the services or transactions. There is no buyer, there is no seller, there is no winner, and there is no loser. All are benefited out of it. So do connect with me. I am always there for your service and help. Thank you, take care, and all the best.